In this video, we will go over the review of what we did so far in these semantic HTML exercises. Okay, let's close the pop-up message. Congrats on completing this lesson on semantic HTML. Now that you know the benefits of semantic HTML and how to use it, you can incorporate semantic elements into your website to make it more accessible and to make the code easier to read. Let's review some of the topics we covered through the lessons. Semantic HTML introduces meaning to a page through specific elements that provide context as to what is in between the tags. Semantic HTML is a modern standard and makes a website accessible for people who use screen readers to translate the web page and improves your website's SEO. Header, nav, main, and footer create the basic structure of the web page. Section defines elements in a document such as chapters, headings, or any other area of the document with the same theme. Article holds content that makes sense on its own, such as articles, blogs, comments, etc. A side contains information that is related to the main content but not required in order to understand the dominant information. Figure encapsulates all types of media. Free caption is used to describe the media in figure element. Video, embed, and audio elements are used for media files. And like I mentioned in the previous exercise, you also can use the iframe HTML tag. Now apply this knowledge to become a better web developer. Now it is time to use what you have learned to build a more accessible website. Okay, I hope you enjoyed learning about semantic HTML and about semantic HTML5 tags. In these previous lessons, you have learned how to make your code more semantic, and now we will take on the HTML semantic quiz. So let's proceed and start the quiz.